Welcome nail lovers! Today I am going to show you how to fix broken nails with Fevikwik. So let's get started. Give one drop and dry it. Give another drop and dry it well. Now I will test it. It was fixed. To protect the nails, give 2 layers of nail polish gel. Now you cannot find the broken area. Using this trick, you can fix your nails forever. Now give any nail polish, which one you want. If you like it, please subscribe my channel for more videos. This is the difference. It's appropriately fixed. Thanks for watching.